Hello YouTube! Did you ever wonder how to remove oven door for easier cleaning? I will show you this in this video. Firstly, open the door and take a good look at the hinges. You will see a safety guard shaped from thin metal, which prevents the door to be accidentally released from the hinges. Move them in open position and gently close the oven until you feel resistance at about 20° angle. At this point, wiggle the door a little bit with upward motion while gently pulling in horizontal direction. Door will pop out from the oven. Take a look at the hinge design on the picture to have better understanding how it works. In my case, dirt got somehow between front glass plates, so I removed one plate, cleaned both sides and reassembled. Door is reinstalled in the opposite way. Insert the door hinges in the housing holes. Wiggle the door to seat the hinges in the position. Engage metal safeties on the hinges and you are done.